Ever pondered over the buzz around Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies? Wondered why some individuals appear to be riding a wave of seemingly effortless profits, while others remain skeptical? Well, today's your lucky day, as we lift the veil on the mysterious realm of Bitcoin. Hey champions! Maxwell here. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because today, we're about to embark on a whirlwind journey of crypto knowledge. And for the regulars, welcome back. Today's highlight is Bitcoin 101, from basics to investment strategies. In a rapidly digitalizing world, understanding the nuances of Bitcoin isn't just cool, it's crucial. The road to mastering Bitcoin and its intricacies is like a roller coaster, with its thrilling ups and challenging downs. But what if there's a roadmap to make this ride smoother for you? Firstly, let's clear the air. Bitcoin isn't just a trend, it's a revolution in the world of finance. Born out of a desire for decentralized control, Bitcoin has transitioned from being a coder's dream to an investor's delight. Often, I get messages asking, Maxwell, is it too late to invest in Bitcoin? Or how do I even start? The answer lies not just in buying or selling but understanding its core principles, the technology behind it, and its potential impact on the global financial landscape. However, it's essential to remember that the world of Bitcoin is as diverse as it's exciting. While I might be an advocate for certain strategies, yours might differ based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and market understanding. But one thing's for sure, the fundamentals remain the same. Thinking about making a quick buck with Bitcoin? It's a common sentiment. But I've always believed that to succeed with cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, one needs a mix of patience, knowledge, and a dash of courage. Let's dive into the mindset. Successful crypto enthusiasts don't merely see Bitcoin as a golden goose. They respect the underlying blockchain technology and its potential to reshape industries. To genuinely succeed, you must move beyond seeing Bitcoin as a mere price ticker, and instead, appreciate its potential in reshaping the global financial paradigm. It starts with an understanding of what blockchain technology actually represents. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized and immutable ledger, promising transparency and security that's unprecedented in the digital realm. This decentralized nature challenges traditional systems, be it in finance, supply chains, or even voting systems. It's a testament to a future where intermediaries might become redundant, and transactions can occur peer-to-peer, with increased trust and reduced costs. Those who've delved deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies know that Bitcoin is more than just its market price. It embodies a philosophy, a movement towards decentralization, and an aspiration for a more democratized financial system. Where traditional banks and centralized systems often failed, Bitcoin offers a solution. It's a voice against hyperinflation in struggling economies, a hedge against uncertain traditional markets, and an avenue for instant, borderless transactions. Furthermore, appreciating Bitcoin goes hand in hand with understanding its scarcity. With only 21 million Bitcoins ever to be mined, its limited supply contrasts with traditional fiat currencies, which can be printed at will. This digital gold isn't just valuable due to market hype, but also its inherent properties that challenge the norms of traditional economics. Therefore, to genuinely succeed in the realm of Bitcoin, one must shift from a narrow focus on price volatility. Instead, adopt a broader perspective that values its technological innovation, philosophical standpoints, and its role in potentially redefining the very essence of money and global transactions. Armed with this understanding, not only do you position yourself for more informed investment decisions, but you also join a community that envisions a more transparent, efficient, and inclusive financial future for all. Embracing this comprehension about Bitcoin means more than just personal financial growth. It's about being part of a historical shift in the world of finance and technology. As the lines between traditional banking and decentralized finance blur, individuals equipped with deep insights find themselves at the forefront of this revolution, pioneering change and advocating for a system that places power back into the hands of the people. It's a dynamic era where financial autonomy and tech innovation intersect, and being part of the Bitcoin community means you're not just a passive observer but an active participant in this paradigm shift. For the veterans who've been here since the start, you've witnessed Bitcoin's transformative journey. From being an underground tech novelty to headlining major financial news outlets, the evolution has been undeniable. If you're finding value in this discourse, don't forget to smash that like button. Your feedback drives the content on this channel, so drop your thoughts, questions, or topic suggestions in the comments below. And if someone you know is crypto curious, share this video, it might just be the introduction they need. Ready to dive deeper? Over the next few sessions. Basics of Bitcoin, We'll demystify Bitcoin's genesis, the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, and the groundbreaking blockchain technology. Investment strategies. It's not just about buying low and selling high. We'll dissect various investment strategies, from hodling to day trading, ensuring you're well equipped to navigate the volatile crypto waters. Wallets and security. Dive into the world of crypto wallets. From hot to cold storage, understand the importance of securing your digital assets. Beyond Bitcoin. While Bitcoin might be the poster child, the crypto universe is vast. We'll explore altcoins, understanding their utility and potential investment merits. So, champions, strap in. The world of Bitcoin is rich, dynamic, and ever-evolving. Together, let's decode its mysteries, ensuring you're not just a passive observer but an informed participant in this financial revolution. Yet, as always, remember, while I'm here to guide and inform, the ultimate power rests with you. It's one thing to consume knowledge and another to act upon it. Because in the volatile world of Bitcoin, knowledge is your compass, but your actions determine the journey. In the words of the unknown Satoshi Nakamoto, I've developed a new open-source peer-to-peer e-cash system called Bitcoin. Little did we know, this would be the start of a financial revolution. So, champions, stay informed, stay strategic, and let's traverse the Bitcoin landscape together. Hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries.